Hi everybody, this is Elsie at Two Chicks Home and Market. We're located in Denison, Texas at 311 West Main Street. And that's at the very top of the northern part of Texas, right before you get to Oklahoma if you're looking for us. We are launching back our paint bar. It's called the Make It and Take It Paint Bar. And we want to show you this little project on how to do this little stamping project, which is an Iron Orchid Design stamp of Santa. And you're going to end up with a little wooden tree that looks like this with Santa face stamped on it. So you can come into our shop. We're open Tuesday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. And you do not have to make an appointment. It's going to be at our Make It Take It bar. You'll watch this video I'm making right now, and you'll watch it off of our YouTube TV channel that we have on our Make It and Take It bar. And it's so easy to make, and it's something that you can do on your lunch hour if you want to, or just pop in, grab a glass of tea, bring your lunch if you want to, sit down and bring a friend if you want to, and it's $19 to to make this project, and it really is that easy. So we're going to show you how to do it, and it's so easy. You're going to get your tree, and so this one is done. So we're going to take this one, and this is our Santa stamp. It's called Iron Orchid Designs Holly Jolly. There's a lot more on there, but we're going to use the Santa stamp today for this Make It Take It project that we're going to have on the paint bar also. So this is called a fin mount. You can see the grid on it. So basically you pull your piece of stamp off that you're going to use off of the whole Holly Jolly thing. This one happens to be Santa, and we put it on the grid. So it's going to go on there, and then we're going to use our IOD ink. We're going to use black on this project. And I'm going to open it up. You store them upside down so you always have some ink on the top surface. So you want to just basically press the ink pad across the top of the stamp, and you'll see Santa start to appear. You don't have to push too hard. If you get ink on the grid, you can wipe it off if you're working on a larger project. For this one in particular, Santa is a little bit wider than the tree, so we don't have to worry so much about the edges, but I want to make sure that we get enough ink along the middle of it so he'll show up. You don't have to press too hard. You just want to be firm and make sure you get a good amount of ink on there so it'll transfer well for you. I will tell you that, sorry, I get a little on there. The ink will give you a much better detail look on these stamps than if you were using paint. We use DIY paint, which is amazing. The base of this is painted in our little black dress color from DIY paint, and then we've just stained the top of it with a regular stain. Like I said, the inking the stamps will give you a much better look as far as detail is concerned. But the paint is amazing. You can kind of see our little trees back here too. So you're going to take your tree and line it up on the paint bar. Let me move that out of the way. And so just to make sure that Santa's eyes and nose are centered on there, you don't want like, that missing. So you're going to line the bottom of the grid up to the bottom of the base of the tree. Use that as your guide. And then just kind of look through the grid and see where you want that to go. You want to lay it down gently and do not shift. So grab it with one hand and always hold it firmly with one hand and take the other one, and you want to press everywhere the ink is through there. Like I said, this is off the side of the tree, so you just want to go down the edge of that and just gently but firmly push your stamp down so the ink can adhere to your tree. Try not to shift. Sometimes that happens, but that's okay. It's not the worst thing in the world. And then I think this might be done. And it always has a kind of a distressed look on most of these stamps anyway, so just don't fret. Don't fret. Make it fun. Don't make it stressful. So you want to lift this up at one time. You don't want to do this or this. You want to lift it straight up. So grab it and pull it up. There you go. Oh my goodness. How cute is he? Let me show you. Turn it down. Let me show you. I'm going to turn him around. Isn't he sweet? Look at that. So you get to make this really cute wooden tree for $19 plus a little tax at Two Chicks Home and Market, 311 West Main Street. Come in and see us. You can find information about us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. We have a YouTube channel that this video is actually going to be going on to. And you can always call us, and you can find us on our website at the number 2 chickshomeandmarket.com, and come have some fun. Bring a friend. Come do some make it and take it projects on our make it and take it bar, and you get to take this sweet little tree home. It's only $19, and you'll have some fun, and you've learned how to use the stamp. And when you're finished with your stamp, let me show you a little thing, a little trick. It's not a trick, but something you need to do. You want to take wipies. You can throw it in warm water as you're working with these, but this works just as well too. So you're going to take your wipey and just wipe off that ink and clean it up that way, and then it'll be ready for the next use. And see, it starts to come off. So there you go. So thanks for joining us. We appreciate you popping in and watching our little how-to video on the Iron Orchid Design stamping of our little wooden Santa Christmas tree. And we hope to see you very soon. Call us if you have any questions. Find our information on our website to contact us, or you can find us through Facebook too, and Instagram. I mean, we're all over the place. So appreciate you following along. Thanks so much. Come have fun with us. Bye.